Today, I'll show you how to set up Cloudflare DNS for beginners. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your domain connected to Cloudflare using their fast DNS, free SSL, and basic protection features, all without touching any complicated settings. First, make sure you're logged into your Cloudflare account and you're on the main dashboard. Once you're there, look for the button that says Add a Site. This is usually near the top of the page. Go ahead and click that. This is how you tell Cloudflare which domain you want to connect. You'll now see a field where you can enter your domain name, type in your domain exactly as it is registered without any extra paths or pages. For example, just the main domain, not with HTTP or any sub pages. Take a second to double check the spelling because any typo here means you'll be setting things up for the wrong domain. When you're sure it's correct, continue to the next screen. Cloudflare will now show you a pricing page with several different plans. For most beginners, the free plan is more than enough. It already includes high-speed DNS, a free SSL certificate so your site can use HTTPS, and built-in DDoS protection to help shield your site from basic attacks. That's usually all you need when you're just getting started. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of this pricing page. There you'll see the free plan option. Select the free plan and then click Continue. After you confirm the plan, Cloudflare will automatically start scanning your domain. What it's doing here is checking your current DNS records from your existing provider. This might take a short moment. Once the scan is complete, you'll see a summary of the DNS settings it found. For a simple setup, you can usually leave these as they are, since Cloudflare is just copying what already works. The important part is that Cloudflare now knows how your domain is currently configured. Next, Cloudflare will show you two special addresses called name servers. They usually look something like one word, a .ns, another .cloudflare, and then .com. You'll see two different ones listed. These name servers are the key to putting Cloudflare in charge of your domain's DNS. Your job now is to give these two Cloudflare name servers to your domain registrar, which is the company where you bought your domain. You'll need to log into your registrar's account, find the settings for your domain, and look for the section where you can change name servers. Replace the existing name servers with the two that Cloudflare provided. Be sure to copy them carefully and save the changes. Once you've updated the name servers at your registrar, Cloudflare will gradually take over handling your DNS. This change isn't instant. It can take anywhere from a few minutes up to a full day to fully propagate across the internet. During that time, Cloudflare will keep checking, and you'll usually see a status in the dashboard showing when everything is active. And that's all you need to do to set up Cloudflare DNS as a beginner. Add your site, choose the free plan, let Cloudflare scan your existing settings, and then update your name servers at your registrar to point to Cloudflare.